If you're running Facebook or Instagram ads and not getting customers, you're not alone. Most business owners think ads don't work, but that's not true. The real problem is not the platform, it's the strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your ads are failing and how you can fix them, even if you're working with a small budget. So if you run a local business or an online service in the US, this video is going to help you a lot. Part 1. The biggest misunderstanding. The biggest mistake most business owners make is thinking ads are just about boosting posts. You post something, click boost, and expect customers to come in. But boosting posts is not a real advertising strategy. It's designed to give you more likes and visibility, not actual leads or sales. That's why many businesses spend money and get nothing in return. They're using the wrong approach from the beginning. Part 2. Why your ads are failing. Let's talk about the real reasons your ads are not working. 1. Wrong targeting. If you're targeting everyone, you're reaching no one. Your ads need to speak to a specific group of people. For example, if you run a dental clinic, your audience should be people in your local area who are likely to need dental services, not everyone on Facebook. 2. Weak ad message. Your ad must clearly answer one question. Why should someone choose you? If your ad looks like every other business, people will ignore it. You need a strong message that solves a real problem. 3. No clear goal. Many campaigns fail because they don't have a clear objective. Are you trying to get leads, website visits, messages? Each goal requires a different setup. Without a clear goal, your ads won't perform. Before proceeding to part 3, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Part 3. What actually works? Now let's talk about what works in real life. Step 1. Clear objective. Always choose a goal like leads or messages. That's how you bring in actual customers. Step 2. Smart targeting. Focus on location, your city or service area, age group, interests related to your business. This ensures your ads reach the right people. Step 3. Simple offer. Don't make it complicated. Offer something clear like free consultation, limited time discount, book now. People respond to simple direct offers. Part 4. Small budget strategy. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Even $10 to $20 per day can work if your setup is correct. The key is not spending more money, it's spending smart. Start small, test what works, and then scale. Part 5. Reality check. Ads are not magic. They won't fix a bad offer or a weak business. But when done correctly, they can bring consistent leads and growth. That's why strategy matters more than budget. Part 6. Call to action. Very important. If you're running ads and not getting results, don't keep guessing. I can review your ads and show you exactly what's going wrong. I offer a free audit where I check your setup and give you clear feedback. If you're serious about getting more customers, send me a message or check the link in the description. Let's fix your ads and start getting real results. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe and support me.